Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to pay OnlyFans with CashApp. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up OnlyFans and log into your OnlyFans account. So once I've logged into your account, so what you're going to do, you're going to click on your left side panel here. You'll have this option here, so add card option. So simply click on the add card option. So once you click on the add card option, so here you will see the option to add your card. So if you want to use your Cash App, so the only way how you can use your Cash App is that you can, if you have the Cash App Mastercard, then you will be able to simply add this as in the in this add card option here. So simply select the country and all the other details and your card details, and enter the details of your Cash App Mastercard and then submit it. So once you've submit this Cash App Mastercard will be added to your account, and that card will be used for any payments for any subscriptions and other things on OnlyFans. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.